We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up NZD, USD. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bearish red candle. Looks like it's working its way down from an area. We do have price action overall. Higher highs, price action overall. Lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level lows. Also adding third level lows. So let's zoom in the price and see what's going on. So price action on the monthly time frame is a bearish red candle coming down from an area. Second last candle to retest of that SR line. So we have current price sitting at 0.59896, and if price works its way back up, we can see price will head up to the area of price of 0.62949, and if price works its way down, it could head down to a solid number of 0.59412, and if it lands lower than that, we have a midpoint here going up one level. It'll land near 0.57290. So let's see where price is coming from. So price is currently coming from an area, multiple pushes to that top. So if you look at it overall, market did break, came back to retest, broke, came back to retest again and trying to push down. So market's coming from an overall first, second, third, fourth. So it did create that M pattern. So are we going to receive that break in this area here if market to retest or work its way down further? If not, we can receive that consolidation, or that market can reverse and work its way back up. And if so, it's coming from that first, second, fourth, double bottom, retest, and the market comes back up, retest the top, and enjoy our pattern. Walking down to the weekly time frame, price action on the weekly time frame is a bearish red candle, look like a large doji. Okay, so it's indecisive with the previous few candles of the first, second, third. The last candle in the market is all dojis. Price action does have a long wick up to that top of that resistance. The second last candle broke, came back to retest, and price action pushed down. So it's coming from a break and retest of that area, coming from that pattern above, which would be identified for the first, second, third, fourth. So we do have a double top. Price action did retest, so we want to see if this market is going to push and break out of this SR line of price of 0.59412. So head back down here and then finally break. If not, market will create a pattern in this area to engulf these previous dojis to work its way back up to the top side. And if so, market's coming from that overall first, second, third, and we'll see that formation of that W formation. So we do have price action high, price action low. So there's a midpoint in this area. So the break and retest what happens when this SR line near 0.62949. Walking down to the daily time frame, price action on the daily time frame is a bullish green candle with a long wick down to that bottom. So let's see what's going on. So market did break and retest and pushed again, came back to retest and push. So market's coming from that double top, first, second, third, fourth, second last candle, came back to retest with that long wick with the third last candle, and price action, excuse me. We do have that first, second, third, fourth, third last candle came back to retest, price action pushed down, and then we can see that second last candle pushed down and price action trying to create some support to break out of that. And if so, market's trying to draw out a W formation and then break out. So if that market does work its way back up, price action can head up to the numbers of 0.635, and if it breaks the next level, we'll head up to that midpoint of that fourth to last candle, which should be headed to the price number of 0.60738. It may stop at a midpoint as well. The number is 0.60343. And if that market works its way down from that area, let's see what it's going to drop down to. So think about if it does break down from this area, because I don't want to draw way back. Market will be breaking this SR line, so we'll see how far that market will drop down for that market to come back for that retest of that area from the previous area. Then we'll see the market push. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame. Price action on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that W formation is drawing itself out. So we do have that first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so price action is engulfing the fourth and fifth to last candle in the market, which can close out and still push up further. So far that market is looking bullish and working its way up. And let's say if market does come down for that resistance, let's say if it doesn't make it all the way up top, or it does make it all the way up top, that market can be identified coming from a pattern of the first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest, and we'll get that resistance, and market's coming down for the next area. Okay, so price so far on the 4-hour time frame, price look like it's headed up to the previous numbers of 0.635, headed down to 3-hour time frame. Price action golfing the second last candle and the previous few ones. So far our market is like it's working its way up. It did break that midpoint in that area. Okay, so we'll see as what's going on as we walk down that time frame of that midpoint, because we have price action highs, price action lows, midpoint right in the middle. So we're going to see what's going on when price did engulf. So we can see that price action on the 2-hour time frame has a long wick up to that top. So it basically tagged that area of resistance. Okay, so we're going to see if that market is going to still push, or it's going to come back down for a retest, or maybe identify a candle here for that market push up further. If not, we'll receive that consolidation. Walking down to 1-hour time frame, price action. Now we see the retest. So the second last candle broke up, price action retesting. So we're waiting for the next candle to engulf the price action candle to see if it's going to push up further. If not, we'll see a engulfment of that price action candle for that market to come back down to previous price of 0.5809. And if it breaks that, we're looking for the break and retest for that market to work its way down further. And it may just draw out a pattern of a double top or a head and shoulders pattern within that area on the 1-hour time frame. Walking down to the 45 side by side, price action second last candle are dojis. Same as well. Price second, third is within, price action is within the third to last candle, which is that doji. So you want to see something engulf that third to last candle body and wick to close out to see that market's going to push down. If not, market can be respected with that price action candle being an area of support, and it may respect this and come right back up. So market's at a midpoint of that overall SR lines that we are in. Walking down to the 15-minute time frame, price action on the 15-minute time frame is a bullish green doji, which is a retest. So we definitely want to see something engulf that. So it looked like it's drawing out a leg of a retest, just like the previous side on the opposite side. So market broke, retest, pushed up, retest again. So we have to wait, let the market do what it do to create a pattern to see if it's going to push up or come down. On the 5-minute time frame, we have price action as a bullish green doji. So the market's consolidating within the last 4 candles of that area. So you want to see something engulf or show a nice pattern that that market's going to come from that area. Same as well with the 3-minute time frame, and same as well with the 1-minute time frame. So you definitely want to see something break out. Could be a W or M formation. So if it breaks the top, you're looking for that retest for that market to push up. If it breaks the bottom, you're looking for that retest, the market to push down. Very important information. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout, and retest strategy. Very important information. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. NZD, USD.